Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make salsa for chips. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 medium white onion, a generous bunch of fresh cilantro, and 1 or 2 jalapeno peppers. Don't forget the juice of 1 fresh lime and a pinch of salt to enhance all those wonderful flavors. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get our hands dirty with some chopping. Start by washing all your produce thoroughly. Dice your tomatoes into small, consistent pieces, aiming for about 1/4 inch cubes. Finely chop your onion and cilantro. For the jalapeno, mince it carefully. Remember, removing the seeds and membranes will reduce the heat significantly, so adjust to your preference. It's time to bring everything together. Carefully transfer all your chopped vegetables into a food processor or blender. Give it a few short pulses, just enough to combine the ingredients and achieve a chunky texture. Be careful not to overblend, as we want a fresh, rustic salsa, not a smooth puree. Now, squeeze in the juice of 1 fresh lime and add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Almost there. Once your salsa is perfectly seasoned, transfer it to an airtight container. Pop it into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or even an hour to allow all those wonderful flavors to meld and deepen. This chilling step is crucial for the best taste. When ready, serve your delicious homemade salsa with your favorite crispy tortilla chips and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.